Because in this video you will discover how you could make from 1,000 US dollar till 10,000 US dollar just in 1 week.
Let's go.
Hey bros, you're on the Airline channel. My name is Tim Wider and we continue to record the video for you, the course about how to make money online with copy and paste. Today will be the video about the Alibaba.com and eBay, and you will discover everything, how you could find the supplier there and how you will get that product from that supplier and sell it on the eBay, and you will make the real cash with that. A lot of the question was about how to make the money with copy and paste, what exactly to do, and I showed you already many videos about the AliExpress and eBay, Amazon and eBay, but today guys, you will be interested. Today will be the video about how to find the supplier, and I'm sure that you will like it. Because in this video you will discover how you could make from 1,000 US dollar till 10,000 US dollar just in 1 week. So guys, here we are. Alibaba.com is the largest website for the different kind of the products, and if you're searching for the good suppliers, so you must go on the Alibaba.com, and right now I will show you how to find that quality supplier, because the quality supplier is the 95% of success. If your products will be with the good quality, with the best quality, so it will be obviously that you will be really succeed on the eBay, guys. So right now I want to show you how you can search that and how you could find that suppliers so you can get that product, like I said, and sell it with the profit. So I propose for you to searching for some watches, and we'll do together. Right now just I will show you how to find that watch and how to send the inquiry and how to contact the supplier, how to ask him all the question. Right now just check this out, I will show you everything. So we go on to watch and click on the button search. There's the different kind of the products, guys, and right now we will just find that what we need. So here first what we have different kind of the watches, guys, yeah, like you see. And first of all we must to find some watch which will be minimum order from the 1 piece or the 2 pieces, something like this. So the 2,000 pieces, of course, it's too much for us. 5 pieces okay, just maybe, yeah, look, we have 1 piece like this. So we go in next, just 100 pieces too much, 10 pieces, 500, 300, different kind of the watches, yeah. But we need to find something beautiful and not that too much pieces to minimum order. Just I want to start from 1, for example. Let's check, guys. So what do you think about just, I think this one? Just we will see how it will be. Yeah, it's first time I'm looking for these watches, and you know, first of all, when you will find the product, you must to take a look on the supplier, his gold supplier or no, how many years here he on the Alibaba.com, and we see that here this is a gold supplier, yeah, we can see that, and he is 4 years gold supplier already, and it's really perfect, guys. So let's open this product and just ask the question from that guy. We ask that question from this supplier, how much it will cost for us with the shipping, for example, to United States of America. So here is from $4 till $18 for 1 piece. And let's check this, guys, this product on the eBay, if it will exist here or no. Just I don't know, just we'll search here this product. Yeah, we can see that, I don't know, this is the same product or no, but we see that something like that is cost $285, guys. Just I think with this product we can start with this product. Just right now we'll contact the supplier and ask him about these watches, for how much he can sell it to us, how much will cost it, how much does it cost. So guys, just we making something like that. So we ask him the question about his product and how much it will cost with shipping to United States of America. So, dear friend, I'm interested in your product. Okay, how much? How much does it cost with shipping? With shipping to United States of America, right? And here, give me your best prices. Give me your best. And here you must provide your mail address, because on this address you will receive the reply. So I provide my email address. Yeah, okay, we have it here. And send security right now, guys. Send it and waiting for the reply. And like this you just send a lot of the insecurities about that product which you're interested, and after that waiting for the answer, waiting for the reply. So let's go in next, guys. Let's go and search what we have also here, what kind of the products, because if you will find just one guy who selling the products and you ask him about the price, about the everything, maybe he will even don't reply you, maybe he didn't reply you. So just we must have found like from 5 till 6 or something like that, maybe even 10, and ask them about that, how much it will cost for us. And also, guys, we can sell it on the eBay like a lot, like for example 10 pieces in one box. So we can open this product and ask the seller how much it will cost for us. Also we ship into United States of America. Right now you see I think this for kids, because it's something like funny, something like that, like for kids. I don't know, maybe it's no, but it's what we have here. We have the wholesale China, custom logo and chip, GPS tracker, micro SIM, card alarm, mobile phone, talking, just the mobile phone for the $11.50 or like $13. I think, guys, this is perfect. So let's ask this guy how much he wants for this with the shipping to United States of America. Every time ask the question, because sometimes you see the person, he writes some information about the product, about the everything, but sometimes the information cannot be the same what he wrote, because everything changes, sometimes the prices changes. So the best way is ask. So we just ask the same question for him, like, hi dear friend, we like your products or product. How much does it will cost? With the shipping. To United States. Yep. So ask him the question, waiting for his reply, and provide here our mail address and send security. Waiting for the answer, guys. And let's go in next. Let's go and find some other products. What we have also here, every time search, because sometimes the guys, they have discount here, sometimes they have the good prices. So every time you should be in touch with the Alibaba.com, every time you should be in touch with the different kind of the website, is because sometimes when the guys, they sell it with discount, it's your time to get that product and sell it on the eBay or sell it on the Amazon and start to make the profit, guys. Because right now is the celebration, right now is was Christmas, was New Year, it was best time, but also not every time only in the celebration the best moments every time when you have the good product, the people they saw it, the people they like it, and they get it from you. Just you must to start to make the sales. You must to start to make the sales, and after that it will grow in like step by step, every time, just you must to start, guys. You must to start and everything will be. So we have the 10 pieces here, 100 pieces. I want to find like one, or yeah, like you see something beautiful, yeah, the ring or something. What is that? 10 pieces, 100 pieces. I want to find like 2 or 5 pieces, something like that, not too much. Also 1 piece, but it's not that beautiful. 20 pieces, 5 pieces. Oh, we see that right now this is the waterproof, guys, waterproof watches. So, and this is in the 2018, and the price is beautiful, like $4.50 and $5 till $5.40, something like that. And this unisex for the girls and men's, guys. I think the beautiful watch for this price. Yeah, like you see, good price is beautiful. Everything's just friends, I think this product is amazing, because for this price you can start to sell it on the eBay 100%. you will get the many sales with this product. And this kind of the product, similar product, a lot on the internet, a lot on the Alibaba, a lot on the AliExpress, different Chinese websites. But you must to search every time, guys. Be in touch every time. If you see the new product, straight contact the supplier, ask him the question how much it will cost, what the shipping, what the quality, something like that. So just we ask him more question like, hello, hello guys, you have good products. Hello guys, you have good products. We interested in the prices. We interested in the prices with shipping to United States. How much it will cost for us? How much it will cost for us, just like that, and the question, and waiting for the reply, guys. Team Wider at ukr.net, sending security right now, and right now we will waiting for the answer, and I think after that I will make for you another video how you will speak with the suppliers, how to decrease the prices, and everything will be, this will be the incredible tutorial for all of the people who really interested in making money online just by simple copy and paste. Because the method, guys, in the 2018 will explode the internet, because a lot of the people right now, they going through the internet, they want to make the money. They going through the internet, something like that, guys. Really, it's really amazing, because all you need is just your computer and the brain, and it will bring for you a lot of the money if you will do the rightable things, the rightable steps and the rightable things. So let's go, yeah, and we see guys, just we found one piece. I see that, I think this is the really beautiful watch with the GPS track record. Yeah, just look on this, guys, look on this. Yeah, I think it's very beautiful. We have also white, one second, yeah, the white watches. Yeah, I think it's amazing, really beautiful product, and they start from the one piece, the minimum order, so from $15 till $20. And let's check, guys, maybe somebody sell it already on the eBay, maybe somebody sell it here. We copy from there, paste it here, and click on the button search, and we see there, I don't know this is the same or no, but $20.89. So go in here, whatever. We need to ask, guys, because the ask is the number one what we need to do. Yeah, it's the same but not the same, like I see a little bit different. Here's like this, and there is something like that. No, I think it's not the same watch. But let's check it is the same or no. I think it's not the same. It's look like similar, but it's not same. So right now what we're doing, we need to send him the security and ask him how much he want for this watch, and we see that this with Android, guys, and this really with the waterproof sport smartwatch, guys. Really, I think this product also will be really hot. So just ask him about how much it will cost. Hello, we interested in your product. I like this beautiful watch. Every time try to tell the person about how beautiful this product, because if you will make the good relationship with the supplier in the future, it will helping you to get the discount from this guy. Yeah, and every time ask him about his contacts, because not just talk with him on the Alibaba.com, ask him for the mobile phone, ask him for the Viber, ask him for the different social media if you have, and speak every time like with the friend, because like this you will get that what you want, you will get the discount, you start to make the business with this guy, and together you will make the success. Because if you will do every time alone everything. If you will do every time everything alone, it will be like no discount, no, just you just ask about the product, how much it will cost, the price, he will tell you like this. He said okay, just let's make it. No, every time ask about the discount, every time ask about the best shipping, best product, best quality. So just let's do it. Hello, we're interested in your product, please tell us how much does it cost. Please tell us how much does it cost with how much does it cost with shipping to the United States of America. Cost with shipping. How much does it cost with shipping to USA? To USA, guys. And sending courier right now. Yeah, and like this guys, you go into the Alibaba and search for the suppliers. Search for the suppliers, doing the action every time, search for the new products. If you see the product is good, straight send in courier, ask a question. And sometimes, you know, I saw the accident what was on the Alibaba. Some guys, they told me that they was scammed here, and even the gold supplier, it was, you know, there and everything like that, but they was got scammed. So you must to be sure, and you must to distinguish legit from scam. Try to speak with the person, ask him to pay through PayPal, and if he will ask you to pay through the Western Union or different kind of the payment processor which is not safe, so better to don't work with that guy. PayPal, guys, is the safe method, and be sure if supplier working with the PayPal, so everything is alright. So guys, I think you understand everything in this video. It's really simple how to find a supplier. This will be the really nice tutorial. I think everybody will enjoy it and will make the good profit with that. It was Team Wider, guys, and I will see you really soon in the next videos. I'm at my prime.